To grow an olive tree from a pit. Harvest ripe green olives directly from an olive tree in early autumn. Gently crush the olives with a hammer to loosen the fruit around the seeds. Then soak the olives in a bucket of warm water overnight. Drain the water, remove the pits from the olives, and scrub the pits with a scouring pad to remove the remaining fruit. Nick the blunt end of each pit with a knife. Then soak the pits in room temperature water for 24 hours. Start each pit in a 3-inch, 7.6 centimeter clay pot filled with 1 part coarse sand and 1 part seed compost. Plant the seeds 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters deep in the soil, and place each pot in a closed, transparent polythene bag. Put the pots in a well-lit area and water them any time the top 4th inch, 0.6 centimeters of soil dries out. Take the pots out of the bags once the pits start to sprout. When the seedlings reach about 18 inches, 46 centimeters tall, transplant them outside in early fall. Plant them in a spot with well-draining soil and lots of direct sunlight. It will take about 3 years for your olive trees to bear fruit.